Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video, we are going to see the lead out arc function for the final exit. This parameter was not available before in SolidCAM. If I look at this toolpath that has already been generated, the last exit directly exits from the material out here. In the new version, we have a function in link where the user can specify what is the lead out function or what is the lead out parameter you would like to provide. So I go into my links and we have a use lead out arcs here, and I can specify what is the lead out arc in terms of the percentage of the step over. So I'm going to give this as 25% and let's calculate it. So now if I go to the same area again here, you can see that we have now provided a smooth arc to exit from the material for the final exit. Thank you very much for watching.